Okay, let's look at the clustering options for these two programs. Now, just to tell you up front that I don't expect this to go off really well since I have such a low amount of keywords I want to cluster, but let's see what happens here. So we're back on our LowFruits account, and if we go into clusters, we can go ahead and click on the clustering, and what it's going to do, it's going to take all of the words that were actually analyzed, and it's going to put them in clusters, and they're going to cluster them by SERP similarity. So let's take a look at this jumbuck barbecue smoker with offset. If we click into this, it's going to have, this is the I would say main keyword, or the exact keyword, and then here are all the other keywords that they found in the cluster. So what do you mean by that? Well, you got to look at this percentage sign. So this is the percentage of your URL shared with the main keyword. So obviously, this is the main keyword, the top one. But this other one here, basically, Jumbug Barbecue Smoker with Offset Sidebox Review, basically just adding the word review, gives you a 70% match to the same article quotation keyword. So this is the quotation keyword. So basically what it's saying is that if you were to look at the Google results from this one, okay, so they give you the top 10 here. And then if you look at let me close out here, the Google results from this one, that 7 out of these 10 would match this guy, okay? So let's close. Now, if we look at this other one, barbecue smoker offset jumbuck with sidebox, there's a 70% match to this one. Barbecue smoker offset with sidebox, this is an 80% match with this one as here. So it's good to see that this is important, because you would think that, oh, I want to do one keyword equals one article. So that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 articles. I mean, these are very similar, so you wouldn't write 5 articles, but you get my point. So what you would do instead is you would make sure to use all 5 of these keywords within your one article. Therefore, you would have a higher chance of ranking for each one of these keywords with one page. Okay, so I like the way they do it. I like the way they do this is because they actually use it based on the SERP, what the SERP has given us. Let me drive this home with one more point. So here's more of a generic keyword, barbecue smoker offset. So the main keyword is barbecue smoker offset, but it would also rank for offset barbecue smoker. So basically flipping the words around. And the intent here, or then there's another one, offset barbecue smoker for sale. So you would think this might need to be its own keyword, its own page, but it looks like the intents for these two keywords are the same. So let's view the SERP. Okay, so you can see the SERP here. Let's just take a quick look. So here is a expert review. Here is a best of article. This Oklahoma Joe's, they're actually selling one. They're a shop. The barbecue guys, they're a shop. So you can see real quick what the intent is on this keyword is that Home Depot, Barbecue HQ are all shops. They're trying to sell you a barbecue offset smoker. Okay, but this keyword is not explicitly saying for sale, whereas this one is explicitly saying for sale. And interestingly enough, Google does give you an affiliate, a social, a Facebook one. They also give you, I think this is a shop, another affiliate, and then more shops as well too. Okay, so this is a good way to analyze a SERP using the clustering function based on SERPs, the actual SERP data with LowFruits. So let's see what happens when I go into AI clusters here. So AI cluster, let me click clustering. So it's taken a while to cluster these. I've been on pause. I had to refresh to even get this clustering option. Let me refresh again and go into AI clusters. Still clustering. You think with only 13 keywords, it would be a lot faster. Okay, so that actually took a few minutes to do, but I think the reason why is because they were analyzing the total keywords and not the already analyzed 13 keywords. So let's see what this gives us. So we have the first cluster is barbecue smoker 5. I'm assuming that's 5 keywords in the total volume. So let's click on the drop down here. Okay, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 keywords. As you can see, they're not analyzed yet. So how are they clustering? Looks like they're just using the word smoker. They see the word smoker and it's in all of these keywords. Barbecue pit stop 5 keywords. Oh, yep, that's exactly what they're doing. They are just doing, honestly, a real basic clustering. So that's why they call it AI clustering. They're probably just taking what the actual word is in each keyword and putting them together. Honestly, that's not too helpful. That's not too helpful based on actual SERP facts and actual SERP data. I'd rather have this versus this. So let's take a look at barbecue smoker DIY. Okay, so this one's a little bit better. DIY barbecue smoker ideas, recipes. I don't know if recipes is DIY, kind of. Homemade, smoker ideas, recipes, smoker ideas, recipes, using barbecue idea smoker. That's kind of all over the place. Barbecue smoker rest. So it kind of gave me, to me, this is a building your own barbecue smoker. This isn't about recipes, so I'm not sure. Let me see what happens when I click here. It's going to give me a Google search for it. So let me see, smoke, barbecue smoker images, barbecue smoker parts. So that's good. They're taking parts and accessories. That's good. Barbecue and smoker accessories, best smoker accessories, large barbecue smoker. Okay. So, I mean, it's just okay. It's okay. I mean, it's realizing like for this one that parts is the same thing as accessories, which is good. So that is the clustering option of BeyondMe versus LowFruits.